your energy can come back. Your motivation, your clarity, your will to live. Now this is gone. You are just exhausted. Most people don't realize it. But the fastest way to rebuild yourself is to disappear for a while. Not disappear for a dramatic way, but quietly. From constantly reacting to everyone else. Because what drains you is not just what you do, it's what you keep thinking about. The people you replay in your head, the conversation you overanalyze, the emotions you never fully process. And slowly your energy gets scattered until one day you wake up and feel empty, tired, lost. Most people think they need more discipline, more motivation, more pressure. But that's not the problem. The problem is your energy is leaking everywhere and you never gave it time to come back. So instead of pushing harder, I did something different. I stepped away. Not from life, but from everything that was pulling me away from myself. I started spending more time alone. Not scrolling, not distracting myself, but being with myself. I slept more, I made sure I ate properly again, I moved my body, I read. And most importantly, I started listening to myself. I asked myself questions. What do I really like? What am I good at? What am I still angry about? What took my peace away? And what gives it back? At first, it was uncomfortable, because silence forces you to face yourself. But over time, something changed. I feel grounded again. Not perfect, but stable. I stopped being pulled by everything. I stopped reacting to everyone. And for the first time, I felt like I had myself again. There's something people don't talk about. Many successful people didn't start where you started. They had support, they had stability, they had a foundation. And yes, their success is beautiful. But you came from bottom. You survived things that never showed on the surface. That kind of strength is different. Life is not competition. Success in relationship or career is just one version of life. It doesn't define your work. Your real work right now is your own path, your own growth, your own rebuilding. Disappearing is not about running away. It's about coming back to yourself. Because when your energy returns, so does your clarity, your courage, your ability to start again. And when you have that, you can lose everything and still rebuild your life. If you are going through this, take your time. Come back to yourself. And if you want to learn how to rebuild yourself step by step, stay with me.